Hey guys, Brannon here, and this is how to install integrated headset and how to dial your tilt SCS and how to install tilt SCS. So first thing, I'm gonna take my SCS off. It is very high quality. Love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Very high quality. Okay, it's off. Got top cap and bolt and the tilt SCS. So first things first, you have to, I'm taking my thing off. Spacers. And so when you install your top cap, you want to, out of the crown race, you want to put this thing, like, you see how it's like that? Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like the little lump is up. We're gonna put it like that, so it's flat right here. And you put it right here. And you put the crown race right here, so it's like that. So it's like makes it smooth. You put that on here. Just pop right in. And on the fork, you put the crown race all the way in. If it's not all the way in, it's gonna rattle your headset. Make it unhigh quality. Put the bottom headset like that. I don't know, can you see? Like that. It's gonna pop it on fork. And then you just slide your fork up here, whichever way you want it to face. Backwards or frontwards. I prefer frontwards, unless you do the hang fives or the foot jams. Then you just put it on. Oh gosh. Right. And then you put the top cap on here. Hey! Dog's going crazy. So you put the I have the FSA. Well, it's not FSA headset. I have a NV or Blunt Battle headset with the AO mix. Makes it very high quality. Hey! So you put this on top. You slide this on here. So then, mine has a little space because I'm using a non-integrated one. Mine right here. Oh my god. And then I put the spacer on top because I have a Phoenix fork. And to SCS, it's just a tiny spacer. And you put the small, this is a tilt installation. You put the small part of the tilt SCS. Like, see how this one's bigger and this one's smaller? You put the smaller part on your fork. So like, because the biggest part's for oversized bars unless you order like Toto Baby. So you just pop it on there. High quality. And you put this on first. You put it flat, so it's like you just pop it in so it lands like that. So then you're just gonna, so you see it's like, I don't know if you can see, but it's like that. You put the screw in that little hole right there. Your bar should have, or your fork should have a star nut, but I have a Phoenix wedge fork, so there's like an integrated star nut. Very high quality. So then you make sure your clamp and wheel are lined up. So then you just tighten it. That makes sure that's gonna make your headset down. And if you want to make your whole entire scooter down, you tighten the back brake and all that stuff, and back wheel, and stuff like that. Hold on. safety. When you're dropping, it's gonna make a little rattle because your bolts aren't all the way in. Yes, they are. So yeah, you just put your bars on, tighten your SCS clamp, and it should be good. So thanks for watching.